90% of car owners are quietly bleeding money at detail shops, shelling out hundreds, sometimes thousands, for jobs they could handle in their own driveway. But here's the part that should make you angry. Mechanics and professional dealers have been gatekeeping the simplest, most effective tricks for years. One of these secrets alone can save you hundreds on detailing. Stick around, because by the end of this video you're going to know things that most professional shops would rather you never learn. Before you drop another dollar on overpriced services, here are 17 car cleaning and maintenance tricks that actually work. Don't skip a single one, your wallet is about to thank you. Trick number 17, Dish Soap Floor Mat Revival. Your floor mats are ground zero for everything nasty that comes into your car: road salt, mud, spilled coffee, mystery stains. Rubber mats especially fade fast and start looking old and cracked. Most people either live with the eyesore or shell out $150+ for replacements. Here, what the pros do when they want fast results on the cheap. Pull the mats out, give them a quick rinse with a hose, then hit them with a simple mix of dish soap and water. Scrub them thoroughly with a stiff brush, rinse clean, and let them dry completely in the sun. Once they're bone dry, wipe on a thin layer of tire shine or rubber protectant. Watch that deep, rich black color come roaring back while adding real protection against UV rays and cracking. The whole job takes maybe 5 minutes and costs under $2. Compare that to $40 plus that detailers charge just to clean them, or the price of new mats. You just brought them back to showroom condition while listening to your favorite podcast. Mechanics aren't in the business of saving you money, they're in the business of maximizing revenue. Knowing the difference can easily save you thousands over the life of your vehicle. And if that one felt good, wait until you hear this next one. Trick number 16, Shaving Cream Mirror Defogger. Nothing ruins visibility faster than fogged up or rain-covered side mirrors on a nasty morning. Most drivers just squint and hope, or waste money on expensive anti-fog sprays that don't last. The real secret mechanics have used for decades? Plain foam shaving cream, not the gel kind. Squirt a small amount directly onto the mirror, spread it evenly with a dry cloth, let it sit for a couple of minutes, then buff it off completely until the glass is spotless. That invisible film it leaves behind creates a hydrophobic barrier that makes water bead up and slide right off for weeks. Rain, fog, mist, none of it sticks like before. You just gain dramatically better visibility in bad weather, and you did it for pennies instead of paying $50 for a professional treatment. This next one will blow your mind. Trick number 15, Air Conditioner Tire Shine. Tires take a beating from sun, salt, brake dust, and road grime. They fade fast, look dry, and cheap tire shine products usually sling everywhere and attract more dirt. The underground trick detailers have known forever: grab ordinary hair conditioner from your bathroom, apply a small amount to a cloth and work it into the tire in circular motions. The conditioners and moisturizers penetrate the rubber, restoring flexibility and that rich black shine. It doesn't fling off like most sprays, and it lasts through multiple washes and rainstorms. For even better results, choose a conditioner with built-in UV protection. You're not only making your tires look brand new, you're actively slowing down cracking and dry rot. Detail shops charge $40 just for tire dressing, often using similar chemistry marked up thousands of percent. You just cut that cost to almost zero. Trick number 14, Baby Wipe Steering Wheel Miracle. Your steering wheel might be the filthiest surface in your entire car. Skin oils, sweat, food crumbs, and years of buildup create that slick, grimy feel. The detailer's secret weapon? A simple pack of baby wipes. They're gentle on leather, vinyl, and plastic, yet powerful enough to lift heavy grime. Just wipe thoroughly and watch decades of gunk disappear in seconds. It's oddly satisfying. The mild cleansers break down oils without drying out or damaging the material underneath. In under 3 minutes, your wheel goes from disgusting to like new. Shops charge $20-30 for this as part of an interior detail. You just did it for pennies with something you probably already keep in the house. The industry depends on you not knowing these everyday solutions. Trick number 13, Rubber Glove Pet Hair Removal. If you have dogs or cats, you know the endless battle against pet hair embedded in seats and carpets. Vacuums and lint rollers barely scratch the surface. Put on a pair of ordinary rubber dish gloves and rub your hands in short, firm strokes over fabric and carpet. The rubber creates static and friction that pulls out deeply embedded hair in big clumps you can just pick up. It's shockingly effective. You'll remove more hair in 2 minutes than 20 minutes of vacuuming. Detailers charge $50.75 for pet hair removal using this exact technique. Total cost to you, maybe $5 for gloves if you don't already have them. Another massive win for your bank account. Trick number 12, silicone spray door seal saver. Dry, cracked door seals are silent killers. They squeak, let water leak in, promote mold, and eventually lead to expensive rust and electrical issues. The fix is ridiculously simple: silicone spray. Lightly coat all your door, trunk, and hood seals, spread it evenly with a cloth, and wipe away any excess. The silicone restores flexibility, stops sticking, and protects against UV and temperature damage. Do this every few months and your seals can last the entire life of the car. A single $5 can last for years. Shops charge big money for seal conditioning that's basically the same thing in a different bottle. Trick number 11, compressed air dent popper. Minor door dings and hail dents are frustrating, and body shops love quoting $200 $500 for paintless dent repair. For shallow dents, here's a physics hack. Heat the area with a hair dryer for 2-3 minutes, then immediately spray it with compressed air. Hold the can upside down for the freezing liquid. The rapid expansion and contraction pops many small dents right back out. It's not magic, it's thermal contraction. Won't fix deep damage or chipped paint, but for minor dings it's borderline miraculous and takes 5 minutes. You just saved hundreds. Trick number 10, WD-40 Undercarriage Protector. Road salt, mud, and moisture quietly destroy your undercarriage, leading to rust that can cost thousands to repair. You can fight back with WD-40 or similar rust inhibitors. Jack the car up safely or use ramps, then spray exposed metal, frame, suspension, and exhaust components generously. It displaces water and leaves a protective barrier. Do this once or twice a year, especially before winter, and you'll dramatically slow rust. Professional undercoating costs $300 $600 for essentially the same protection in fancier packaging. Trick number 9, cabin filter oil drop trick. When replacing your cabin air filter, add 2 or 3 drops of your favorite essential oil, lavender, citrus, eucalyptus, directly onto the filter. As air flows through, you get natural, subtle fragrance throughout the cabin without chemical air fresheners. Dealerships sell fragrance-loaded filters for big markups. You just achieved the same result for pennies. Mechanics do this in their own cars all the time. Trick number 8, vinegar windshield streak killer. Tired of streaks and hazy windshields at night? Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray and wipe with crumpled newspaper instead of paper towels. The acidity cuts through road film, bugs, and hard water spots that normal cleaners miss, leaving glass crystal clear. This is the same science premium glass cleaners use at a fraction of the cost. Professional detailers know it, they just charge you more for the fancy label. Trick number 7, baking soda paint stain eraser. Bird droppings, tree sap, tar, and baketon bugs are acidic and can etch your clear coat permanently. Make a paste with 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water, apply to the spot, let it dwell 5-10 minutes, then gently scrub and rinse. The mild abrasive and alkaline action neutralizes and lifts contaminants without scratching paint. Detailers use similar methods and charge $50 $75 for decontamination. A box of baking soda costs almost nothing and lasts forever. Trick number 6, rice condensation killer. Interior fogging on cold mornings creates moisture problems and mold risk. Fill a small cloth bag or old sock with dry, uncooked rice and leave it in the car dashboard or under seat. The rice naturally absorbs excess humidity, reducing fog and musty smells. Replace every few months. Cheap, simple, and far more effective than you'd expect. Dealership moisture absorbers are basically the same concept in expensive packaging. Trick number 5, pencil graphite ignition fix. Sticky ignition? Rub a soft 2 pencil over your key, coating the grooves well, then work the key in and out several times. The dry graphite lubricates the pins perfectly without attracting dirt like oils do. This 30-second trick prevents expensive locksmith calls and potential stranding. Never use WD-40 in locks. Trick number 4, the fuel cap hook. That little hook inside your fuel door isn't random, it's designed to hold your gas cap while you fill up. Use it every single time. Preventing dirt from getting on the cap keeps debris out of your fuel system and avoids scratches on your paint. Skipping this tiny step can eventually lead to thousands in fuel system repairs. Trick number 3, DIY car wash solution that beats everything. Skip the expensive bottles. Mix a 1/4 cup dish soap, a 1/4 cup baking soda, and warm water. The combination cuts grease and grime while the baking soda adds safe scrubbing power. Use with a microfiber mitt, rinse thoroughly and dry with clean microfiber. You just made professional level wash solution for under $1 per bucket. Trick number 2, wash car in shade only. Washing in direct sunlight is one of the fastest ways to ruin your paint. Soap and water dry instantly, baking minerals and residue into the surface and causing etching. Always wash in shade or on cloudy days so you can rinse properly before anything dries. Your paint will look dramatically better with zero extra cost. Trick number 1, WD-40 Battery Corrosion Destroyer. Corroded battery terminals kill batteries and cause electrical gremlins. Disconnect the negative terminal first, spray WD-40 on the corrosion, let it penetrate, then scrub with a brush. Clean, reconnect positive first, and apply a light protective coat of WD-40 afterward. This 5-minute job prevents premature battery failure and saves you $50 100 service charges every time. If this video just saved you serious money and opened your eyes to how much you've been overpaying, smash that like button and subscribe. We dig up these hidden gems so you don't have to. Drop a comment with which trick surprised you the most. I read every single one. There are way more mechanic secrets coming soon. Click the next video and keep learning. Your car and your bank account will thank you.